Taylor.
So I looked inside the dumpster, and it was like one of those open dumpsters that they had like outside the restaurant because we went through the back of the restaurant. So inside the dumpster was a cat. It was just a cat.
So the first thing that came to mind was dumpster cat.
Dumpster cat, and we made a song about it. Okay.
Dumpster cat, dumpster cat, living in a dumpster with a dumpster cat. Woo-hoo! We're done.
Look at him. Look at him. He's right there. And there were two waitresses, and I was just staring at the brown-haired guy, trying to distract attention. So the brown-haired guy thought I was weird, and so then we walked over, and like they were all laughing and having fun because they're friends, because they're hot. And so we were sitting down at the table. We were sitting down at the table. She did not get that because I was laughing when I was telling Taylor. We were sitting down at the table, and
he came by again.
And he came
by.
They
were the bus boys.
They were one of them was kind of at the corner of our table, just kind of standing there, like looking at the other guy. I think they might have been a little gay, but the other guy, the blonde one, which was hot, was cleaning the table, and Taylor was like, "Look at him weirdly." So I went.
I didn't tell you to look at him weirdly.
I told you I just looked at him, and the brown-haired guy saw me looking at the blonde-haired guy, and I was like. And then what did the brown-haired guy do? He was just like.
He was just like.
And then we went to this thing called Magi Quest, and there were
Magi Quest.
And there were these stupid little wand things, and so
not stupid.
Here, her name was Misty. My name was Slayer.
Misty. I was a fairy, and she was an ogre. Ogre.
Raise your hand when I send you a direction.
It's bad. No. Hey, look at this. It's this.
So she slaps me twice in the back. 3 times. Stop it, I hurt.